Hey guys, I'm back with another volume fill tutorial. This is actually filmed back in 2019 and I thought it would be interesting to walk you through this volume fill because I definitely did some things differently. First step has always been the same. I always start off with a thorough lash cleanse using a foaming lash cleanser and a disposable lint-free applicator brush, making sure that the lashes and the entire eye area is clean so that the tape can adhere better to the skin. I always use my portable fan to dry the lashes while brushing them through very well. Not only does this help fluff them back up again, but it also helps exfoliate the lashes, removing any debris that might be lingering on the lashes. So you'll notice right away that I only use tape to secure the bottom lashes. This method works well to ensure that the bottom lashes do not slip out and stay in place the whole time. Sometimes when using gel pads, the natural lashes still tend to pop out from underneath. However, the only tape I would ever use to do this method is the Next Care Sensitive Tape, which has this unique blue color. It's the most gentle and flexible tape that does not tug the skin or damage any lashes. It's the most comfortable to use on the skin around the eyes, and especially because you're using it on the natural lashes, you want to make sure that the tape that you're using is very, very gentle. I find that other tapes tend to become too sticky as the tape sits on your client's skin throughout the appointment for 1 to 2 hours, so when you go to remove it, it can be quite uncomfortable because it adhered too much. The only thing to be extra cautious about when using tape only on the bottom lashes is that you do not rest the tips of your isolation tweezers too firmly onto the tape. That's because the tips of the isolation tweezers may poke through the tape and cause discomfort for your client. You can see that my isolation tweezers don't even touch the tape or the under eye area at all. My isolation tweezer just hovers over the eyes. My hands are placed gently on my client's forehead, which helps maintain stability and control. So it's not tiring at all for my hands and it's very stable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more lash videos.